Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, welcome to our online platform of NIVS. I think all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an English language class for the students of class 1, and our today's topic is from your Enjoying Grammar book, lesson 19, exercise number 1, discussion. So let's come. Dear students, lesson 19, what I am doing now, present, the present continuous tense. Dear students, to understand the present continuous tense, first of all, you have to know what is present continuous tense. The tense which expresses the continuous tense is called present continuous tense, and its structure is like this. That means first subject, then auxiliary verb. What are the auxiliary verbs? Am or is or are. Okay, then main verbs plus ing. That means you have to add an extra ing with the present form of the main verb. Then you will write the object. Okay, so if I take one example from here, father is washing the dishes. Washing the dishes. Father is washing students. In this sentence, first of all, I will show what is subject. The whole work is done by whom is called the subject. The subject must be either noun or pronoun. Okay, so the person or the person who does the work is called subject. It may be noun or pronoun. So father is the subject of this sentence. Father is washing the dishes. So who is doing the work of washing the dishes? Father. So father is the subject. Okay, so after writing father, then our duty would be to write the auxiliary verb. Okay, so auxiliary verbs are am, is, are. So a question may arise from you that where you will use am, where you will use are. Okay, that means a question may arise to you that where you will use am or is or are. So this one's for the case of I, that means when the subject is I, on every cases we have to use am. It's fixed. Okay, so at the case of I, we must have to write am. Then you is for third person singular number. That means what are for third person singular number? It may be he, she, it, any name, or singular subject. Okay, that means for the case of he, she, it, any name or any singular subject, we have to use is. Okay, and then are for the case of third person plural number and plural subject along with you, we have to use you, plural subject For the case of plural subject and you, we have to use are. Okay, then a question may arise to you that what is singular subject? That subject which deals with by one person, that is called singular subject, or one thing. And plural subject means more than one thing or one person, that is called plural subject. Students, I think up to this it's clear, up to auxiliary verb. Then you will have to add V1, that means the present form of the verb, plus ing. Dear students, in this sentence, washing, wash is the main verb. Okay, so it's in the present form. Wash, washed, washed. Okay, so it's in the present forms. So we have to add extra ing plus ing because it's continuous tense, present continuous tense. So first of all give subject, then give auxiliary verb, then give V1 plus ing, then the object. The dishes is the object. So I think this portion is clear to you. That means regarding the structure is clear to you. Now let's come to the book. Father is washing the dishes. The baby is drinking milk. Grandfather is watching television. Mother is cutting vegetables. Grandmother is reading. Rahul is coloring the picture. Here are the pictures, and these descriptions deals with the pictures. The words washing, making, reading, playing are action words. They show that something is going on now. The action is not over yet. Okay? So for the case of present continuous tense, we have to bear in mind that the words is going on now and the action is not over yet. Okay? It will continue for some more time. Okay? So let's try to do exercise number 1. Complete these sentences with is or are. Dear students, I told you that for the case of singular subject we have to use is, and for the case of plural subject we have to use are. Okay? From the box, that means there are few words in the box and you may see pictures here. Skipping, running, jumping, riding, driving, flying, kicking. Okay? Number 1 is done for you at your book. Rahul is running. Rahul is running. Here, where is Rahul? Here is Rahul. You may see that Rahul is running. Now, number 2, Salma and Nagma. Dear students, Salma and Nagma. I am writing it. Salma and Nagma. Dear students, you can see that here are 2 persons, 2 girls. Okay? So although here are 2 girls, that means it's plural subject. So I told you it before that for the case of plural subject we have to use are. Okay? So we have to use are here. Salma and Nagma are skipping the rope. Where is Salma and Nagma? Here. They are skipping the rope. Okay? Number 3, Preeti gave a toy car. Preeti is driving a toy car. Where is Preeti? Here. Preeti is driving a toy car. Sagar and Onu. Sagar and Onu. Preeti is singular, so is used here. Sagar and Onu. Same. Salma and Nagma alike. Sagar and Onu. Sagar and Onu. Dear students, same case here. 2 subjects are at a time, so it's also plural. and for the plural case we have to use are. Okay? Sagar and Anu are flying a kite. Zakir, singular. Zakir is riding a bicycle. Zakir is riding a bicycle. Okay? Orun is gap, a football. Where is Orun? Orun. Orun is kicking. He is kicking the football. Okay? Then number 7. Niru, gap. Niru, which one is left? Jumping. So where is Niru? We can see Niru. Here is Niru. Niru is jumping. In this sentence there is no object. Okay? So its answer would be Niru is jumping. Dear students, you have a homework number 12. It's exercise 1. That means this all are your homework. Dear students, this lesson is too much easy. I hope you all got understood today's class and watch the video again and again and do the homework. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.